In this video, I'll detail how to use iPhone calculator on iOS 18. So if you recently upgraded to the latest iOS 18 on your iPhone, and you will discover that there is a new integration in the iPhone calculator. So basically here, I'm going to show you how to use the iPhone calculator on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Literally, the iPhone calculator is set to basic. So if you are still running on iOS 18, you may only be limited to basic on the iPhone calculator. For iOS 18 users, you now have more features on the iPhone calculator. Like if you click on this three line at the top left, you're gonna see all your calculator history. So everything you've calculated on your iPhone is saved here. And let's go ahead, click edit, and then delete all. Now, also, while using your calculator and you want to use scientific calculator on your iPhone, all you just need to do is click on the calculator button at the bottom left, then click on scientific. Then this is going to open scientific calculator on your iPhone. However, you can also enable rotation, so to rotate the screen. So if your rotation is locked, then rotate the screen like this, and this is going to give you the scientific calculator in a landscape mode. You see that? Then you can perform all the basic scientific function on your iPhone calculator. So this is the function of the new iOS 18. So you can also click on the calculator icon here, then take mark notes. Here you can solve mathematics using your calculator. So that is the function of the new calculator on your iPhone. You see that? Solve maths, use variable, maths in note app. Then to use this, just go ahead and click on continue. Then you say this is mathematics. You can just come here to solve any mathematics of your choice, and this is going to give you the answer to the mathematics straight away. So for instance, maybe you want to solve a new math using your iPhone calculator. Just click on this button icon at the bottom right, then type whatever you want to type. Let's say 2 multiply, let's say 2 divided by, let's say 2 multiply by 5. You can see the answer is 12. Then let's have this, and let's minus it. Let's say, okay, minus it 4, then done. That's going to give you the simple answer. Then you can also use your hand to maybe 3 multiplied by 4 equals, you see that? So your iPhone calculator is going to solve this straight away for you. Then just come back again, try something new. You can do some basic mathematics using your handwriting. Just pick up the pen like this, and then you're good to go. Let's say 26 multiplied by 4 all over 8 equals, hang on, you see that? So this is the few functions of the new iPhone calculator that you can use. Then you can just come back, click on the calculator icon, then go back to your scientific. Is that? Hit on the calculator icon again, and then you can also use convert to convert from one format to the other. So you see we have this button, there is radian, army. If you click on this, you have various options available here, and here you have various conversion units available here as well. So that is exactly, these are the new feature of the new basic calculator on your iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.